Greetings to you all. I welcome you all to my zoology class. It is fourth lesson, cockroach. The zoological name of cockroach is Periplaneta americana. Linnaeus found it in the year 1758. It belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda means segmented body and external skeleton and jointed limbs. It's the special character, and it belongs to the class Insecta, the class comprising the insects. Order Orthoptera, derived from the Greek word ortho means straight and pectra. Ptera means wings, refers to the parallel sided structure of front wings. Genus Periplaneta, species Americana. Then this is the dorsal and ventral view of the head region. Okay, dorsal and in both sexes, and the down picture is the posterior part of the both male and female animals of cockroach. Okay, in both sexes the genital apertures are surrounded by sclerites. Sclerites is a type of covering. Okay, and it is called gonophysis. Male bears a pair of short and slender anal style in the ninth segment, which are absent in the female. In female, only two outgrowth you can see, but in male you can see 4. Okay, in both sexes the 10th segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structure called anal cerci. The next one we are going to see about the exoskeleton. Here you can see sclerites plus articular membrane, tergites, sternites and pleurites, and hypognathus. It is mouth parts. It belong to my biting and chewing type. Mandibulate. Okay, mandibulate means you can chew. Okay, the mouth part consists of labrum. It is otherwise called as upper lip, a pair of mandibles, a pair of maxillae, a labium, which is otherwise called as lower lip, and hypopharynx is otherwise called as tongue, are present. The thorax consists of 3 segments: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax, and it bears compound eye. Then the leg of cockroach. Here you can see the upper part is coxa, which is large, then trochanter, which is a small part, then femur, thigh bone, long and broad. Okay, then tibia, long and thick, and tarsus. Have 5 movable joints or podomius or tarsomius. Okay, here you can see this. Cockroach has 2 pairs of wings. The first pair arises from the mesothorax and protects the hind wings when at rest. ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்து அப்படி இருக்கும்போது அந்த மேலே இந்த விங் வந்து பேக் விங்கை கவர் பண்ணி இருக்கும். ஓகே, அண்ட் இட் இஸ் கால்டு okay. Then next one, digestive system of cockroach. Here the digestive system of cockroach consists of 3 parts: foregut, midgut and hindgut. These are the 3 parts. The digestive system consists of these 3 parts, and the foreguts include preoral cavity, mouth, pharynx and esophagus. Esophagus, it is followed by crop, this balloon like structure. Okay, and it is followed by gizzard, where you can see chitinous teeth to grind the food. The next one, hepatic CK, a finger-like structure. Okay, then the midgut, that is mesenteron or midgut, where you can see Malpighian tubules, which are excretory organs, which through which it absorbs the waste. The Malpighian tubules absorb the waste from the surrounding environment. Okay, then the hindgut, that is ileum, colon, which opens outside through anus. Okay, then the next system is respiratory system. Here you can see some branched tubes which are known as trachea, open through 10 pairs of small holes. 10 pair hole இருக்கும். That holes are present on the lateral side of the body. The terminal branches of tracheal tubes are called tracheoles, which are further divided, and they are called as tracheoles, which carry oxygen to the entire body. Oxygen தூக்கிட்டு போகிறது இந்த tracheoles தான். Okay, the spiracles open and closed by valves regulated by splinter or spiracle muscles. Here you can see small holes. They are called spiracles. They are regulated by valves. Okay, each tracheole is filled with watery fluid through which exchange of gases takes place during high muscular activity, through which the oxygen exchange of gases takes place. The next one is circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of it is poorly developed and it is open type of circulatory system. Okay, then the circulatory system, the heart consists of 13 chambers with the ostia on either side. Blood from the sinus enters the heart through ostia and is pumped anterior to the sinus again. The triangular muscles, see in each segment you can see triangular shaped muscles, and they are called alary muscles, which are 13 pairs. An accessory pulsatile vesicle at the base of each antenna, which also pumps blood. Okay, then next one is the nervous system. Here the nervous system is also not well developed as it is poorly developed, and we are having well developed brain, everything, but they won't have such type, and instead of brain they used to have the clumping of nerves which is called as ganglia. Okay, the ganglia here you can see the sense organs, everything are present. The sense organs are antennae, compondi, labrum, maxillae pulps, labial pulps, and anal cirri. The nervous system of cockroach consists of a nerve ring. In the top you can see a ring and a ganglionated double ventral nerve cord. 2 line போகுதுலமா ventral nerve cord, and sub-esophageal ganglion. Esophagus region la ஒரு இது இருக்கும், sub-esophageal ganglion, and circum esophageal connectives. அதில் சுற்றி ஒரு ரவுண்ட் எல்லாத்தையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு லைன் போகும். அடுத்து டபுள் வென்ட்ரல் நர்வ் கார்ட். ஓகே, here the nerve ring is present around the esophagus, here in the top and in the head capsule, and it is formed by supraesophageal ganglion called brain. Okay, then the subesophageal ganglion controls the movement of the subesophageal. See here, subesophageal ganglion controls the movement of the mouth parts, legs and wings. Then a pair of circumesophageal connectives present around the esophagus, connecting the supraesophageal ganglia with subesophageal ganglion. The double ventral nerve cord is solid. Here ரெண்டு லைன் போகுதா, ganglion is they are connecting the this extends up to the 7th abdominal segment. The 3 thoracic ganglia are present, one in each thoracic segment, and 6 abdominal ganglia in the abdomen. Okay. Then next one is the excretory system, Malpighian tubules, fat bodies, nephrons, nephrocytes, not nephron, cuticle, uricose glands are excretory in function. 100 to 150 number are present to 6 to 9 bundles. Each tubule is lined by a glandular and ciliated cells, and the waste is excreted out through the hindgut. The glandular cells of the Malpighian tubules absorb water, salt, nitrogenous waste from the hemolymph and transfer them into the lumen of the tubules. The cells of the tubules reabsorb water and certain inorganic salts. The next one is the reproductive system. It is both male and female are separate. They are dioecious or unisexual. ஒரு செக்ஸ் தான் ஒரு இதில் இருக்கும். Okay. The male reproductive system consists of pair of testes, vasa pair of testes. See here in the top you can see some like a bead like structure, testes, and vasa differentia, and ejaculatory duct. Vasa differentia, this orange color, and ejaculatory duct, uticular gland, and phallic gland. Okay, you can see a mushroom shaped gland, uticular, that is the uticular gland. Okay, and in female reproductive system you can see a pair of ovary, pair of ovaries, like just like wing like structure, vagina, genital pouch, collateral glands, and spermatheca. Okay, these are the structure which are helpful in the reproductive system of female. Then male we have already seen, a pair of testes, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, everything, conglobate gland, uncertain that use. Then the external genitalia through which it opens outside. Surrounding the male genital opening, few chitinous and asymmetrical structures called gonophyses, which help in copulation. Then female, this one, the structure I already explained, a pair of ovary, pair of spermatheca in the 6th segment, which opens by median aperture in the wall of genital pouch. During copulation, the ova descend to the genital chamber where they are fertilized by sperms. Okay, a pair of white and branched collateral glands present behind the ovaries for egg case called ootheca around the eggs. The genital pouch has 2 chambers, a genital chamber into which the vagina opens, and the oothecal chamber where the ootheca are formed. 3 pairs of plate-like chitinous structure called gonophyses are present around the female genital aperture. These gonophyses guide the ova into the ootheca as ovipositus. That's all about the cockroach. Next next video is about frog. I will send it very soon. Okay, thank you.